हाय एवरीवन, आई होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग ग्रेट। सो माय नेम इज निधि और आप सब मुझे देख रहे हैं हर जिंदगी पर। सो टुडे विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट पोस्ट प्रेगनेंसी सेल्फ केयर। सो बिफोर गोइंग अहेड एक ज़रूरी बात, अगर आप इस चैनल पर नए व्यूअर हैं तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए बिकॉज आई एम रेगुलरली गोइंग टू शेयर इंपॉर्टेंट कॉन्टेंट विद यू on the same channel which is going to be related to kids and parenting. So let's begin with it. Post pregnancy self care. As we welcome the newborn to the world, you need to take good care of yourself to rebuild your strength. So the first one is adequate rest. So there is no proper schedule for the newborns when they are going to be sleepy and when they are going to be awake. But a mother should get some sleep when her baby is sleeping and relieve herself from the responsibilities other than feeding the baby, because if she is going to be sleep deprived, it is going to affect the milk supply of a mother. So the second one is express your feelings, be it positive or negative. You know, it's quite normal after giving birth to a child to feel anxious, to feel emotional. There must be a urge of, bursting into tears. But try to communicate, try to express your feelings to your friends, partner, relatives. This is definitely going to help you. Try to focus on positive things. Try to focus on your blessings each day. This is definitely going to help. But in extreme cases, try to consult your doctor. Don't be too harsh on yourself. देखो, no one is perfect. तो जो भी आप कुछ कर रहे हो या जो भी आप ट्राई कर रहे हो इस न्यू जर्नी में करने के लिए, it is going to take time. आप अपने आप को थोड़ा टाइम दीजिए to back to normal आने में और अपनी responsibility के साथ just try to enjoy this period. So the next one is eat proper meals. You need to eat proper and balanced diet, and this should contain 5 important foods in your plate. Is grains, vegetables, fruit, dairy and protein. Along with that, drink a lot of water because this is going to help you to focus on your well-being and your child's too. Next one is move your body. So first thing is there is no need to be act too harsh on your body. Whenever you feel comfortable or at ease, start mild walking या थोड़ा बहुत योगा. By this you are definitely going to lift your mood और एक positivity आएगा आपके अंदर, so that you can start working on your body. Next one is massaging. So massaging is really important to give strength to your body, but in both cases, for example, if there is a normal delivery, तो आपको ये 7 days के बाद start करवाना है. अगर आपकी C-section है तो 21 days के बाद. But in both cases, try to consult your doctor और आप जिससे भी मसाज करा रहे हैं तो वो expert होना चाहिए. Hopefully these tips are going to help you. और अगर आप किसी और टॉपिक पे भी वीडियोस देखना चाहते हैं, प्लीज़ कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके मुझे बताइए आप किस टॉपिक पे वीडियोस देखना चाहते हैं. मैं उन पे ज़रूर काम करूँगी. टिल देन लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए इस चैनल को और शेयर कीजिए.